Hi guys and welcome back. So today I'm going to be showing you how to make these sticky toffee flapjacks. So let's begin. So to start this recipe you'll want to get yourself a small saucepan and into that add in the chopped dates and the bicarbonate of soda. Then pour over boiling water which will fill around up to the halfway mark of the saucepan and sit them aside for a couple of minutes to soften. Then you'll want to strain the water away from the dates, keeping the water as you may need some later on. You can then take the dates and put them into a mini food processor and just pulse them until it's a smooth paste. When you're adding the dates into the food processor, I also recommend adding around 2 to 3 tablespoons of the water mixture that you've kept. This just helps to make the mixture more spreadable, as otherwise it's quite tough to work with. You can then allow that to cool on one side while you make the mixture. So to start working on the flapjack part of the flapjacks, you'll want to get yourself a small saucepan and add in the butter along with the light brown sugar and the golden syrup and place that on a medium heat on the hob until it's all melted and come together, stirring it constantly. Then you can get yourself another large bowl and add in all of the porridge oats or rolled oats, whichever you call it. Then add in the melted mixture into the oats and give it all a good mix until it's fully incorporated. So once your oat mixture is done, you can then add around half of the flapjack mixture into the base of the 8-inch lined tin and just spread it out and press it down until you've got one consistent layer. So onto that bottom layer of the flapjacks you can then add on the date mixture we made earlier on and spread it out as best you can to get the best coverage. It may look like you haven't got enough, but trust me, there's more than enough there. And just before you put these flapjacks into the oven, you can add on the remaining oat or flapjack mixture and just spread that out and press it down a bit to secure it all, and then you'll want to put it into your oven. I will leave all baking times and temperatures in the blog post, the link down below. So here are what the flapjacks look like once they are fully baked and cooled down. I allowed them to cool in the tin completely. You can feel free to move them to a cooling rack once the tin's cool enough. But then you can just cut it up into squares or whatever shape you like. I always do 2x2 squares, but feel free to cut them however you like. These are actually quite pleasant, and I didn't think I'd like the date mixture, but it works really well. So thank you so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed. If you did, don't forget to like, comment and subscribe for more from me, and I'll be back again next week with another video. If you have any video suggestions for the future, leave them in the comments down below, message me on my blog or one of my social medias. All the links you need will be in the description down below, so don't forget to check that out. And until next week, bye guys.